Hello, students. Welcome back to the online studies. I am your Savita teacher. Today we will going to learn about our first lesson, our Earth and our solar system. Students, when we look up from an open ground, we see the sky. In a clear night sky, we can see many stars. They are very far away from the earth. Some stars are prominent. Prominent means famous. Okay. While some are tiny and faint. If we look at them carefully, we find that many of them twinkle, but some do not. Here, the sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth. So, we can see their round shapes clearly. The sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, etc. are all known as heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means we can see them in the sky or in the universe. So let us learn about heavenly bodies. First of all, we will see about stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. You can see the picture. It is closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. Students, the sun is a ball of fire. It have tremendous power. In its bright light, during the day, we cannot see other stars. Next heavenly bodies are the planets. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star. Even as they rotate around themselves. Let us learn about the solar system. You can see the picture of our Earth. Our Earth is a planet. It gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. You can see here how our earth is rotating or revolving around the sun. That is, movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Students, besides earth, there are 7 other planets that revolves around the sun. Which of that planets? So planets are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now, what is the planet's orbit? Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. You can see in this picture all planets are revolving around the sun in a specific path. This path is known as that planet's orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar system. Besides the planets in the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Now, which are the other heavenly bodies in the solar system? So, other heavenly bodies is first is satellites. Now, what is the satellite? Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellites. Satellites to get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called a satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planets revolve around the sun along with their satellites. Now next heavenly bodies. Dwarf planet. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. Okay, students, have you understand which is the dwarf planet? The well-known dwarf planet is Pluto. Now, next is the asteroids. Asteroids. You can see in this picture between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. So students, you can see here the numerous band between the planets Mars and Jupiter. That numerous band is called asteroids. Okay, students. Now see, you can see all the asteroids, means the numerous band between the planets. It can we see the asteroids. So students, compare to the sun other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. The moon is closest to the earth. That is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the sun. You can see here, so in this diagram, the sun in the center. The heavenly bodies, that means planets or other heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun and their orbits. The planets, satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids are all part of the solar system. Now, look at the picture of the solar system and answer the questions which I am going to ask. First question is that which planet is nearest to the sun? Yes, student, can you tell me which planet is nearest to the sun? Yes, correct. The planet Mercury. Now, my next question is that which planet is placed between the Earth and Mercury? See the picture and tell me the answer. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, correct. Answer is Venus. Venus is the planet which is placed between the Earth and Mercury. Now it's study time. I will give you some work to do at home. Now students, one question I will give you and you have to write its answer in your own words. The question is that what will happen to our solar system if the sun were to suddenly disappear? Again, I am repeating it. What will happen to our solar system if the sun were to suddenly disappear? You have to write answer of this question in your own words. Also, you have to do one activity, that is, you have to draw a diagram of solar system in your notebook. Also, you can make a model of solar system. So students, make this activity and send photos on our WhatsApp group. Okay student, I know you are very clever students. I hope you all have understand the meaning of our solar system. Remaining part we will see in the next session. Bye bye, student. We'll see in the next session.